And as I am seeing this unfold in front of me, I ask myself, how in the world can they be so happy, so excited, so joyful when they have spent over 100 days without electricity, without water, with the gas was scarce, extremely difficult situations. And as I'm seeing them dealing with that, I realize and I learn one of the biggest lessons in my life. When we have a sense of community, when we have each other, when we feel like we belong, we believe. When we belong, we hope. When we belong, there is nothing that can get in our way. So that day, my family taught me this fifth principle, elevating each other. Because at the end of the day, doesn't matter the crisis, doesn't matter the challenge. If we have each other, we can face anything. My people in Puerto Rico have faced challenge after challenge for the last 2 decades. And something that I can bring as part of our Hispanic culture is that spirit of resilience.